What's up, guys? Asher Manager Goddess here. So I'm actually back today with got like a ton of cases and boxes and stuff. One of these boxes, and we have not done one of these in a while. We're still getting shipments. Just I've been really busy, and I think I recorded a lot of them, but I just don't happen to have, or I don't think I've been very good with posting anything that wasn't G's on the channel. I'm really sorry about that. I'm trying to get better soon. Stand-up series is done. So straight into this. Kind of got a small box today. Just a preview of some of the stuff that we're going to be getting in. The Cheetah. These are looks like clear files. Bane Dream. Not doing very well for Bushy Road right now. Sadly or not. I guess it's sad or not, depending if you're a fan. But a bunch of cool stuff in here. Neckties. Frozen Bands. I really love these anime neckties. They're very, let's say they're very cool. And looks like it's the school ones. Some deck boxes. This is Gabriel Dropout. The new Sword of Blue Ordinal Scale. Yeah. Now two of those. This box. Oh, that's a Your Name wall scroll. Nice. Ooh, it's another Your Name wall scroll. Very good movie, by the way. And another Your Name wall scroll. Three of them. Three different Your Name wall scrolls in here. Another clear poster thing. Vegeta. Blue Fantasy. A bunch of stuff in here. Sleeves, which I'll get to. What is this? A Yori on Ice pillowcase, I'm guessing. This. Some more of those sleeves. Aichi Legend Deck Japanese. Cool stuff. What is this? A little Freya figure across. Yeah, so I'll get back with these two and the other box in a moment. Okay, open the other box. So starting to get some Blu-rays and stuff. This is I believe this is the English edition of, Blu-ray box, limited edition. Infinite Stratos. Love Chunibyo. Super edition or whatever. It's English. And I think Sidonia Season 2. Okay. Some figures. That looks like Kantai Collection. It's very popular, actually. Bake, Mana Nisei, something Monogatari. Kizu Monogatari, I believe. Grand Blue Fantasy. Also getting very popular. And Servant figure video. Anyway, so we'll be back with the sleeves and stuff in a moment.
The world is in danger, but no worries. With the help of my friends, we can solve it together. Join us at the IYG Stand-Up Series. Imagine you're a goddess. And check this out.
Alright, we're back with some sleeves. Just dumping them out. A bunch of blaster. What that is actually. High School DxD. And it comes with cards. Gabrielle, Ordinal Scale, Konosuba, Exceed, Gabrielle, Demi-chan, Gabrielle, Konosuba. The light novel illustrations, actually. Grand Order, I believe. Size Blue. DXD. Konosuba. Gabrielle. This is. It's like your name. A microfiber cloth. That's really cool. Acrylic stand. Looks like Trinity 7. Do we have all of them? Or all of them in here? And this thing, what is this? The Wixos mini wall scroll, I think. Cool. And looks like 7 Trinity 7 girls. Okay. There you go. It's my Astro Magic guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all next time.
Hey guys, Camille here! May 20th is coming up and people have been asking about the IYG stand-up series. So I brought a special guest to help me explain.
Hello, Camille.
Diesel, why are you talking like that?
This is the promo, right?
Tell him about the tournament.
The IYG stand-up series starts at 10 a.m. with a time to register for the tournament.
Beat the line by registering online. Singles will be at the event as well as other cool merchandise.
Each round will be best 2 games of 3 in Swiss format.
That means you're not out if you lose.
At the end of the day, there will be a cut to top 8, where best 2 of 3 continues in single elimination format.
At least half a case of Vanguard will be given across the top 8. Not to mention another special prize. Will you be playing Diesel?
Sorry, I fight for my friends.
Oh geez. Join us at Yeti Gaming May 20th.
And if you can make it, locals May 19th at 6:30 p.m.
Stand up! Vanguard!